you need 4K monitor to edit 4K footage. No, you do not need 4K monitor to edit 4K footage. You need a fast processor. You need good RAM. You need a higher graphic card to edit 4K footages. Let us come to the monitor now. Now monitor, there are 5 types of monitor. CRT monitor, LCD monitor, liquid crystal display, LCD monitor. LED monitor is light emitting diode. Fourth is OLED, organic LED, organic light emitting diode monitor. This monitor is made with carbon and organic materials. The screen of it is organic. Then the last one is plasma. Plasma monitor is made up of plasma material. Fluorescent lights we can see in that on the screen of that, and it gives much more. Each and every pixels is illuminated with RGB in the plasma monitor. So any monitor you can use, not CRT. CRT is gone now. Generally we use LCD monitor. Whatever monitors are right now we are going, because it is light, it is flat, it takes less space, and it works also very smoothly and efficiently. Generally LCD monitor is fine. Now, where the monitor plays an important role, most important role monitor plays during color grading. But professional editors can overcome uncalibrated monitor also. When we come to color grading part, and we will learn using video scopes. So we will not be on the mercy of a monitor to check the color, on the mercy of our human eyes also to check whether the color is going right or wrong. So monitors are mainly used for color grading. Calibrated monitors we need for color grading so that the colors are right. So these are the 5 basic types of monitors, and LCD monitor is mostly used. Acer is very popular amongst newcomers and students. You can go ahead with Acer. Things which depend is that how many inches it is, LCD monitor, even LCD monitor, how many inches and what resolution it is. This is amateur misconception that you need 4K monitor to edit 4K footage. No. You do not need 4K monitor to edit 4K footage. You need a fast processor. You need good RAM. You need a higher graphic card to edit 4K footages. Any footage, your projector, your television, if you can connect your laptop or your computer to your television through HDMI and other cables, every monitor can play 4K footage. When you are editing, it doesn't matter that you have a 4K monitor. You can have a simple monitor. It depends on your computer. It depends on the CPU, RAM and the graphic cards that I was talking about. Next thing is the keyboard. 3 factors. I will not, there are many keyboards. 3 factors are needed, because when you start editing and you are editing daily, if you become a professional editor, you have to edit daily. This is your job, right? Your hands have to think. Professional editors, hands think. Like before you think of a thing of what to do, your hands will think and they will work. And this is not a surprise, because your hands are also connected to your brain and they can also perform. So the more and more practice will bring you to that level. So your hands should be comfortable where they are operating, and that is the connection with your computer and everything. So the keyboard is also important. I am not going to the mouse part. Any mouse you can use, but keyboard, there should be 3 factors when you select a keyboard. The first thing, easy to use. Is it easy to use? There are many complicated buttons and the colors are there. Buttons are not spaced out properly. It should be easy to use. Second thing is the ergonomics. Ergonomics means the build type. How it is built. Is it built straight? It is comfortable around your eyes? Is your wrist getting stuck while you're typing or editing? Generally, you should have your hands up when you are editing, right? Your hands up. You should not edit like this. Your hand should be up and you should perform like this. This is the way to edit, and it depends on person to person again. This just makes it faster, and you need to practice. Ease of use, ergonomics and efficiency. You might think that what efficiency, all the keyboards are same, what different efficiency, but no. Edit well, you are editing, and there are many commands which you have to follow the chain of commands. For example, IO, spacebar, enter, or S, or control B, command then space. So the keyboard must respond, and it should be compatible with the monitor and the CPU so that your work is efficient. 3 factors, again I'll repeat: ease of use, ergonomics and efficiency. These 3 things you need in order to have this right keyboard for your editing.